15 seconds only. Make sure 15 seconds is under any LED lamp, but you should test it out for your LED lamps. So no wipe top coat. 15 seconds. I need this one is my green one right here. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Can't wait to see what it turned out. Hope everyone have a great Thursday. I can't. Lisa. Hi, Lily. How are you? All right. "15 seconds is going right. Awesome. Great. They rubbed completely in it. I'm so excited. Close. And using my unicorn brush. Dust this off. Great. I am going to using condensed glue gel. This is in one of the Trifecta's collection. If you are first time getting yours, I'm not going to do it all and tie the nails because I'm gonna do some Mardi Gras dragon scale and some designs on this cute nails. With your first time working with our condensed glue gels, don't be worried about if you feel like it's thick, really thick density, which is normal. You just need to blend it out nicely and then floating the no wipe top coat on the top of the nails. Just floating it, don't drag and pull all your condensed glue gel. I have my Mardi Gras tray. Can I get my Mardi Gras tray, please? Let me see. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, so nice. Now, is this really interesting? If you are first getting this, you might like overwhelming. Like, oh, wait a minute. What I am doing right now. How can I able to do and achieve it looks really cute? Because you might get a little bit overwhelming. But when you start a moment like you thinking, oh, not that bad. I'm going to share with you. But if you are seeing it this, if you feel overwhelming, what I am usually do, can I get another tray? I pour half this. I've been doing several nails with this already. So if you feel like you're still overwhelming, what you need to do is you just need to pour half of this back into another tray. Now you can see a lot of your elements here to work with. Like you are less like overwhelming with all different, because such a great mixed bag yesterday. Sarah, if you get chance to, I think it's Sarah Nail Art Destroy in Michigan, Detroit. She's sharing with one of the collectible mixed bags she did with Valentine. It's really nice, and I'm gonna move this one down a little bit because I'm gonna do two color, purple and gold. Stay tuned and you will see exactly what I'm doing. If you are down in south, you will get really cool ideas that I'm sharing it today. how you can able to do a cute Mardi Gras nails. Probably you're gonna start getting a lot of clients that request for Mardi Gras nails because we are doing it Mardi Gras now. And it's so nice that clients get to see like, oh my god, it's a big things down in South. I don't know, Houston, who was asking the glue doesn't get on the no white brush. No, Mirinda, the glue gel doesn't go right or get on the top coat because I touch really gentle and gently and floating right on the top of my condensed glue gel, so it doesn't take any of condensed glue gel or contaminate it. But you make sure you don't, just like really gently, you don't want to drag them and press so hard that will get into your brush if you are getting pressed so hard. You want to floating in and then you press this. Oh, what time is right now? It is at 9 o'clock p.m. in Central Standard Time. Manginsei, AC Man Jinsei. Welcome from Philippines. Thanks so much for tuning with us. We're so excited to have you. And then got this one. When you see the dragon scale, what you need to do is just getting, you see the one side is a halo, and like really halos, which just mean that you're gonna place that one on the nails, and you're gonna use the one to raise up with shiny side on the top. Okay, then I have my tiny cute little fleur-de-lis. Is that what you call that? Fleur-de-lis. Yeah, it's fleur-de-lis. I think I might pronounce it wrong. Can I get a piece of paper, please? No, get that one, this one, smaller one. Just make sure you wipe it off on the side, because if I tear it down, I want to make sure my size is got nice and precise. So excited. I am going to using my cute little AB SS4, I believe. You can also do it SS3. But I'm going on every edges, which is I'm doing it right at the edges and the connection between the dragon scale. So I did a kind of a beat, and dress is nice. If you are first time applying your crystal placement and you always, or you are done it before, you always afraid of your crystal not going to stay, or I feel like a frustrated because it keep coming off, this condensed glue gel will do really good results for it. If you're asking me for recommends what you get to do a crystal placement successful with no worry, I would suggest is one item you have to pick. It was Trifecta, which is condensed glue gel, no white top coat, and precision glue. Also, you get the jar of crystal mega mix, which is mixes in size and the colors. I think I'm really happy with this. Sorry, I meant to drop it in there. I don't know here's how your end, but my end looks really pretty. Piece of paper. Wipe that off. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. If you're happy with this, it looks like a chain. It's like a beads. Like it's Mardi Gras beads with fleur-de-lis. Put another one here. I think somehow I'm missing this. I'm gonna do it right here. I think I'm good. Watching Facebook and Instagram. When you get the heat spike with this method, heat spike. Ruby, can you explain it more? Can you explain it more? It's like put it back in. I'm gonna start doing some cool on like go back with the precision glue, and then we finish with this. Let's take that off. Why it's just so over like. Good. Just for your information, okay? If just in case that you are here, so many customer were asking for this. I would like to share with you. Where my tray frame? Can I get the frame, please? This is the frame, all the frames bander. So if you are curious and how you get all this frame, I would like to share with you, because it's different from an Apex and design. This is comes so handy and is so neat. Just need to. Oh no, it's not. So just ban it. And here you go. I don't know how I can show you on the side, but I'm holding it like this. You can see how bend it is. If you want to bend more, you can put it in. There are two sizes in one package of yours. It's one for the smaller size and one for a bigger size. Yeah, it's bent. So just your information. It feels good. I am going to using precision glue, and I am going to check all the edges in the gap. Like if you have a client getting in the nails with all the details, all different crystals and charms, and this precision glue will help so much by filling all the gap and edges of the nails. I'm doing it right now. My like action right now, I'm just like checking. I'm checking it right now. So then if I feel any gap, then I start filling in. Each time you just feel just a little bit. Can you see it? Like just a little bit. And you don't need a whole lot, as you don't want to flood it all of your crystals. You can do it over the charms and chains and beads, but you don't want to go it on the top of your dragon scale unless you're encapsulating your dragon scale. But try to avoiding it's not on the crystals as well as on all the 3D flat back and dragon scale, as it's gonna ruin your shines from a dragon scale and the shines of the crystal. Like right here, I'm seeing a scratchy right here. I'm going to fill it in, and I am going back. Usually when you find it, if with the shiny nails and you're seeing it's like have a lumpy, bumpy, if I have an extra glue gel, which precision glue, I'm gonna using my twin tip brush and then blend it really nicely. And then it should be good. And then blend it out. So then that's it's avoiding, it looks good, and then it doesn't look lumpy, bumpy after you pop in the lamp. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds, and this nail are completely done. This is like so flashy in colors. I love it. That's how Mardi Gras is. You want like a green, good green. You want good purples and like gold colors. So what brush do I recommend for a gel polish? It really depends. I would use size really like a smaller size. You can go smaller size than that, but I'm using this. You can use it in a pick out right from a pot as well. Now we're using it size 6, small enough, but it's not too small, but it's not too big. You don't want it too big. You don't want also too small. I'm putting my bond and my top coat gel, they're mixed together. It's like so sticky in my nails before I put UV. I am putting my bond and my top coat gel, they're mixed together. Is like so sticky in my nails before I put UV light. What would you recommend for me? Maria, are you talking about the top coat, the bond? What type of bond you put it on, like right on the natural nails, you mean? I mean that, you mean that you put the condensed glue gels, and then you put the no wipe top coat, you put condensed and no wipe top coat, right? And then after that, you feel is like a sticky for you. So what happened that you probably apply using the top coat, you apply too much, or you might accidentally drag your condensed glue gels and it's get contaminating on your brush. So then that's therefore it feel really like sticky after you place your crystals. So try to like really floating on the top of the condensed glue gel. So then you won't really barely you have any of that problem. So this is nails completely done. It gets really cute nails.